it's Tommy here from Raw Blend, and today I'm going to make a beautiful macadamia puree. This is actually a Gordon Ramsey recipe. I saw him a few months back making this recipe on MasterChef, where they were actually demonstrating the Vitamix machine. So today I wanted to share it with you. It's absolutely delicious. So I'm using the Vitamix A3500i in stainless steel. This is the top of the line model. I'm just going to put in some raw macadamias, 200 grams. I've got some vegetable stock here. I've got some vegetarian beef stock, beef flavored. So vegetarian stock, any sort of stock you like. And I'm basically going to put enough in to cover those macadamias. So about 250 ml or so there. And then I've got some beautiful sherry vinegar. It's got a beautiful flavor. So 2 teaspoons of that and 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to put some salt in there. This is just salt flakes. You want to be really generous here. The recipe says 10 grams of salt. So I'm going to put a good generous serving of salt in. And then I'm going to lock our lid into place. I'm going to start it on a slow speed and I'm just going to work it up, okay? Nice and slow. Now if it's too liquidy, I'm going to add some more macadamia nuts. Or if it's too thick, then you'll need to add some more stock to it, alright? So I'm going to add some more nuts. Absolutely beautiful. So that is the consistency we're looking for. Not too runny, not too thick, just that beautiful puree consistency. Right, so I'm going to pour out that. So this goes beautifully over, you can serve it with vegetables, you can serve it with fish. Gordon Ramsay served it with a beautiful snapper. Look at that, absolutely delicious. You obviously can taste that before you serve it out. If it needs some more sherry vinegar or some more sea salt, you can just add it. I forgot to do that. Sorry about that, Gordon. We'll try some of that. Absolutely delicious. Try this recipe, serve it with your dinner tonight. Happy blending.